Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to share Google Forms link with your friends. So just please follow my steps one to the one until the end and let's begin the tutorial. At the beginning we need to open our browser. In that case I'm gonna use Google Chrome. And then we need to go to Google. And whenever we are at Google, we're gonna search for Google Forms. And now we're gonna open this website here, which is Google Forms. We're gonna click on it. And now as you can see here, we can try Forms for work or go to Forms. So I'm gonna click on go to Forms over here. And once we directed to that page, I'm gonna go to my form over here, which is I made, and I click on it. And as you can see, that's my form over here. So whenever I click on send, at the beginning I can email my friends by sending them this form using their email address. Or I can go here and click on this button to copy the link of my form, and also I can click over here to shorten my URL, and also I can copy it from here and send it to my friends by click on copy option over here. So whenever I click on copy, I can copy my link over here and send it to my friends or send it to anyone I would like to, or as mentioned, to send the form by an email. So at the end, that was all today's video. I hope that the video was very helpful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment down below in the comment section if the video is helpful. So that was all today's video, and thanks for watching.